In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable touchscreen home button on iPhone. So I'm starting on my iPhone by opening the settings app. Once I'm inside settings, the next thing I'm going to do is look for accessibility. I'm just moving through the main settings menu until I find it, and once I see accessibility, I'm going to tap on that. Now I'm inside the accessibility settings, and from here I need to find touch. So I'm scrolling a little through the options on this screen looking for touch, and once it appears, I'm going to tap there. That opens another menu with different touch related settings for the iPhone. At this point I'm on the touch screen, and now I need to tap on assistive touch. So I'm looking through the list, I can see assistive touch and I'm going to open it. This is the setting that controls the floating button you can place on the screen, which works like a touchscreen home button on iPhone. Now I'm on the assistive touch page, and right here I can see the assistive touch toggle. All I need to do now is tap that switch so it turns on. As soon as I do that, the floating button appears on the screen right away. That's the touchscreen home button enabled, and it should now be visible on the display. So that's really the main part of this process. Once the assistive touch toggle is turned on, the button shows up immediately. There's no extra save button to press, and there isn't a separate confirmation screen to go through after that. The change happens as soon as the switch is enabled. I'll stay here for a second just to make sure the toggle is on and the floating button is visible. If the switch is enabled and you can see that button on the screen, then everything is set correctly. That's how you know the feature is active. I'll go over the full path again while I'm here so it's easy to remember. We opened settings, then went into accessibility. After that we tapped on touch, then opened assistive touch, and finally turned on assistive touch. Once that switch was enabled, the touchscreen home button appeared automatically on the iPhone. If you're following along with me on your own phone, just take your time moving through the menus. This one is actually pretty simple because there aren't many steps. And once you get into accessibility, everything is fairly easy to find. The main thing is just making sure you go into touch and then into assistive touch before turning the setting on. So I'm still on the assistive touch page now, and I can already see the floating button sitting on the screen. That means it's working. You can leave it there and use it whenever you need it. And the important part for this tutorial is that the touchscreen home button is now enabled. This is one of those settings that's very quick to turn on once you know where it is. If you ever need to find it again later, you'll just follow the same path through settings, accessibility, touch, and assistive touch. Once you remember that path, it only takes a few seconds to get back here. At this point there's nothing else I need to change. The setting is already applied and the button stays available on the screen after I leave this page. So I can just back out of settings or close the app completely, and the assistive touch button will remain active on the iPhone. So that's how to enable touchscreen home button on iPhone. Just go to settings, open accessibility, tap on touch, select assistive touch, and then turn on assistive touch. That's all you need to do.